Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Now, the polo shirt might not scream fisherman, but I promise you I have a performance shirt in my office, and that's why this is one of my favorite boats. This 33 Outrage is for the fisherman who has a family. So we're gonna go front to back. I'm gonna show you a few things about this boat that I really enjoy, and maybe it clicks the light on in your mind and this becomes a boat that makes sense for you. We've got Mercury's 350 Verados at the back of this boat, but what makes them more special than normal is their joystick. Joystick gives you Skyhook, which is a GPS anchor system where the computer controls your throttles, your shifting, the actuation of your motors, and allows you to hold the boat not only on a heading into the wind for a rough day, but hold you directly over a spot if you just want to check the bottom. We know how valuable that is. When you don't have to have someone necessarily at the helm, don't necessarily have to set the hook to check a good piece of bottom that you've got a number for and you want to see if the fish are there. Of course, when you get those fish on deck, or rather, to get them there, we've got a huge live well in the back of the boat that for some odd reason has a bunch of water in it now. That speaks to the testament of at least the seacocks and the way this boat is rigged. Speaking of rigging, not only can you drop a full, beautiful rear table in this boat, which incidentally is stored underneath here, teak, but look at the room you have. Look at the ability to work on your own boat. If you need to, you want to service something, go underwater, when you're out on the water, and of course you got a spot for 5-gallon pails. We know cast net, we know trash cans, they matter. To those of us who are out on the water, they matter a ton. And of course, this is a Boston Whaler. Everything is quality. The latches are tight, very tight. None of the rattling hatches that you're used to maybe on some other boats. Check this out. Not only is there a great rear seat back here, but in typical Boston Whaler fashion with beautiful stainless hinges, you've got an immediate and awesome rigging table. Recesses for your drinks, everything you need to do, you can do right here. Let's step forward to the helm and I'm going to show you a few more things about this boat I really like. You've got sliding helm seats. Your captain's chair in particular has a fold-up bolster. It's separated from that side and actually moves back and forth to make your day on the water work for you. They've got a drop-down stanchion where you can raise the helm up a little bit as necessary for some of the shorter people that are going to be driving. Tilt wheel, digital controls, and of course the amazing joystick I talked about. This particular boat is equipped with one of Mercury's vessel views. It's essentially a SIMRAD screen, fully touchscreen, GPS capable, something I really like and will network with your other electronics very well. One note of feature, this particular boat does have automatic trim tabs. Nice if you're looking to worry about one less thing when you're driving. Let's move forward and check out a couple more parts. One of my favorite pieces of this boat specifically, in any fishing boat, you need the storage. The coffin box under this lounger is incredible, but of course the lounger on top is incredible too. This is seriously one of the most comfortable seats that exists on a center console. But underneath it, and right now it's full of covers, so I'll just pull them back to show you. Those are 5-gallon pails. There's another 1.5 feet of storage. You can drop 2 more 5-gallon pails, rod storage over the top of them. Look at how much room you've got. This boat, you can lock your rods away. Gonna leave it overnight. Whether that's the Bahamas, Captiva, or you're gonna make a run to Destin, you can lock this boat down and keep yourself safe. Again, folks, this is Boston Whaler's 2019 33 Outrage. I love this boat. If you want to hear a little bit more about it, details, questions, or even go out and run it and find out why I love it, give us a call at MarineMax Sarasota. I'm Jeremiah. We'll see you next time.